folks, JD here, and today we've got this. This is the Eachine E013, the small red pepper. Okay, let's open this up and have a little look inside. So, as I'm sure you've guessed, this is an entry-level FPV copter, but it comes with the goggles, transmitter, and the quadcopter as well. A lot of accessories, so let's take all of these out, and then we can have a little look at those in a little while. Let's just take out everything that we've got in here. That's quite a lot, and then we'll come back to all of this in a little while. So first of all, let us have a little look at this little beast. This is the red pepper itself. Now you can see straight away why they call it that. It is down to the shape and the body and the colour of its actual body itself. Now, starting off at the front, we have a 1000 TVL camera. It's the M7 model. Working our way to the back, you have an antenna, and then you have a little rib at the back there, just at the back of the chili. Now, we have 4 brush motors. These are the 615s, so very easy to replace, like you saw a little while ago with my Eachine QX65. Just a simple case of popping out the sockets there, the plugs from the sockets, and replacing these particular motors. The motors are only about £2 or £3 each. They're very, very cheap. So this is a quadcopter that you can keep on going. It's for indoor and outdoor use. Now the flying distance outdoor is 70 meters. As we are on the underside of this, let's take out this battery and have a little look. Oh, can I take it out? No, it's not moving. Come on. Oh, that really is in there stiff. I don't think that's meant to come out. Okay, so it certainly looks like it is a 3.7 volt, 220 milliamp hour battery on the underside of this here. That being said, there is no on and off button with this. As soon as you plug into the socket, then it turns itself on a lot, like you see in there. So make sure that you line everything up on the deck, and then just as you're about to level her up, plug her in and let her go so that the gyro can first start to calibrate. I like this. There's something I like a lot about these small, tiny whoop FPV racers. I think they're fantastic. It's so cheap, it's so effective. You get the whole kit. So if you are new to FPV racing, you can start off the right way. And I personally believe this is the right way to start off. Oh, just so good. Right, so what is the flying weight of this? So as we know, new drone laws, legislation, guidelines are coming in, so these have to be under 250 grams. So the full flying weight of this is 26. That's battery included. 26 grams, absolutely perfect. You couldn't ask for better. Now, don't take this out in a lot of wind, because obviously it'll get blown away. You have 3 speed modes with this, so you will find that a slight breeze of about 2 miles an hour, it'll be able to cut through without any problem. Battery life is 5 to 6 minutes as well after a 2-hour charge. So that being said, that is actually pretty good. Alright then, let's put this down to one side. Now, let's have a little look at these goggles. I like these. Eachine VR006. We saw these a little while ago on the Flying Frog. They're not fantastic, but they just do the job, and that's literally all you want. They have got multiple frequencies. You can use them with other quadcopters. It does take a little while for you to scan through to find the frequency of this particular quadcopter, but it has got auto scan. So it'll scan for you, and you have got a menu option so you can manually scan also. So let's turn this on. So click and hold on to the on and off button, then within a couple of seconds you should notice on the inside, there we go, we get our standard sort of little screen inside there that just shows you that they're on. Then you can use the scan button, and then you can scan through, and you can see it hopping over the different frequencies as it is looking for a frequency to bind to. Now, turn it off again, click and hold, and then it turns off. Now there is a little bit of film on the inside here. Be sure to replace that, just to remove that rather, so that you have got proper viewing, so you can properly view your quadcopter is what I'm trying to say. Damn it, that was difficult. Right, okay, so now we're going to fit this little band. So if you set it out in a sort of a reverse T-shape, an upside down T-shape, you've got the long part here which fits on the top, and you've got the 2 left and right bits that fit either side. So first of all, it's quite simple. Just put it into one side and then push it through, and then this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Put your fingers in the inside and push in until, there we go, band 1 is on. and then likewise repeat exactly that for the other two sides. So you've got, there we go, the right side, and there you go, you've got the left side as well. Come on, get on there. There we go, perfect. And oh, do you know, there's always one side, isn't it? There we go, perfect, that's on as well. So that's exactly what it looks like now. There we are, and you can then just adjust the straps however you want to adjust them, just to ensure that they fit on your head properly. Right, so there is one other thing for this, and that is to attach the antenna, which I don't think I actually got out of the box. It's right at the bottom of the box. There we go. Yeah, I did forget it. It's right there. Okay, so let's pop that on. It's quite simple. Screw assembly. Once you screw it on, give it a bit of a little bit of a tight screw on there, and then it's on, and it'll just work fantastically. Make sure before you fly, turn this up, just so you get full range of signal that you possibly can get. Charging port on the side, micro USB. Now, a lot of people don't like to have a lot of weight hanging off their face in the form of goggles. So how much do these weigh exactly? So the full weight of these goggles, battery included, 207 grams. So the battery inside here is a 3.7 volt 500 milliamp hour. That after an hour and a half charge, it gives you 1 hour of use. It's a 3-inch display on the inside, and the on-screen display inside displays the battery as well as the current power. So the battery level and current power. So all in all, the OSD inside here is pretty okay. It shows you exactly what you need to see. So now we move on to the transmitter. So the transmitter itself, a lot like the quadcopter and a lot like the goggles, are quite small. It is quite small. It perfectly in fitting with the size of the quadcopter. Okay, there's a load of buttons on here. What do they all do? Well, you have speed modes 1 through 3, so low, medium and high. You have your rolling keys as well for 3D flips. You have headless mode. Then you have 1 key return, left and right tuning for trim. Then you have your trim buttons down here as well. You have your fine tuning keys down the bottom, so all down the right side are fine tuning. The bottom 2 on the left are fine tuning. Then at the top you have headless mode and return to home. Then you have your on and off button at the bottom with a little LED status light. Obviously this quadcopter has no altitude hold, as this the left throttle stick is not going back into the center. That's not a problem. Learn with non-altitude hold quadcopters and that will put you in good stead. Now, 3 AAA batteries inside here will get you powered and active. This quadcopter transmitter does not allow charging of any sort, so therefore you are going to have to ensure the batteries inside here are fully charged or pre-bought before you pop them in and before you fly. Right, so that is the transmitter as well, and all in all, if you want to know exactly how heavy this is in hand, 73 grams. So honestly, and that's without batteries. With batteries, it'll probably take up to about 100, 105. And with that, it feels quite nice in hand as well. You've got these little rosette sort of thumbstick holders, which actually fit into your fingers really quite well and work with your fingerprints, so that your fingers don't slide off. I like that. I like that a lot. I think that's pretty wicked. Okay, so that's the transmitter. So then you get an absolute load of accessories, including 1 manual, some stickers for your quadcopter, as well as 4 spare propellers, some lens wipes for your goggles, as well as extra foam pads, a micro USB cable to power and charge your goggles, and then you also get another charger as well, obviously for your battery of your quadcopter. So all in all, you get quite a lot for the price you pay for this. Honestly, folks, you get so much. So this is everything that you get. Look at all that. It's really nice. You get a lot of things included in this package to get you up in the air. Not only that, but it comes really well packaged as well. So if you are giving this as a gift, somebody opens that box, it looks really nice and really professional. So there we are, folks. Thank you ever so much for watching and listening. I've been JD. You've been fantastic as always. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hello and welcome to all the new subscribers. I hope you enjoy the channel. So until next time, my friends, happy flying.